Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to generate a random even number and a random odd number. So we're gonna use this using the random library. Okay, let's start. So first we import random as R. Okay? Next, what we do is we're trying to make a function with this. So define lucky number. We'll just say that for now. Okay? Next, we're gonna create the even random number. For that, here's logic. We have to first create an even list. To make that, we have to make an empty list. Then we have to do for I in range 2 to 100. We could also do 0, but let's do 2 to 100. But it's gonna do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 99 because the end value minus 1, right? So we'll just do your 101 for like that. That's mine. Okay? Then we skip. So if we skip, meaning adding, add by 2. So do 2, 4, 6, 8. I'll show you. And then we'll just print I. So if you don't know like how this works, always print stuff. So that's the easiest thing to do. Okay, I'll make that run. Nothing is wrong. Oh, my bad. We haven't put the function yet. The function. We have to always call the function. For example, if we don't call, let's say I want to call my friend, okay? If we don't call him, how? Like, you know, let's say I want to go to his house. We're new friends, okay? And let's say we're on a call to like borrow money and talk about stuff, right? If I don't call him, how are we supposed to do that? Right? So that's why we have to always call the function so it can work. Only if you define the function. If you define something, you have to call it. Okay? So here, 2, 4, 6, 8, and all the way to 100. That's what it does. If I did here 100, it'll do 99. So what this does here is end value minus 1. So that would do 2 to 100 plus 2. Skip counting by 2 basically. Then that's not it. Even the append I. Okay? And that'll be the same thing. Then we generate the random number. So random even number equals to r dot choice we have to use here. R dot choice even and print. Here we'll use string formatting to make it easier. Okay, yeah. Dot even random number is this much. Okay, would be random even number. Oh, what did I do? Okay, that's fine. Oopsie, that's my bad. What did I do? I don't know what I did. Random even number. Okay, so here it did it. The random even number is 16, 58, 98, 66, right? So that's how it works. Okay? Now, this is for the even. For the odd, we can just do the same thing. We're just gonna copy this, do that, and done. Just replace the variable with odd. That's all you have to do. Oh yeah, and the count. And then these variables. You can put I, but let's put J. Okay, so it will be better. So, So 1 to 100. It'll do. So what it'll do is 1 to 99 actually. And skip counting by 2. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Then we'll just change the variables. Don't mind me doing it. Odd. This will be odd. And we're done. Yeah, we're done. So when I run it, the even random number is 22. The random odd number is 50. Try guessing what the random even number will be and the odd number will be. Okay, the even number, if you got 58 for the random even number, great job. If you got the random odd number, if you guessed 31 for the random odd number, another great job. You got 2 in a row. But if you didn't, that's okay. Okay, so this is how it works. So thank everyone for listening to my video about this, like how to generate a random even number and an odd number. I hope you like it, and